Good morning, everyone. Aja here from Pandamonium. Today we will be leaving. I'm not sure exactly what time, but we'll be saying bye to some of the tribe. Teri and Scott and Wandering Jimmy will be staying here on the property. The family will be going along with me, along with Kat and Homer, but they're only going to go for a little bit with us, and then they're going to break off as well. We'll be heading east. East? Moo-moo East, are you ready? Yes? No tail wag. That means she doesn't want to go. I'm going to go visit my sister and brother-in-law. They live in Wenatchee. They're not going to be living here much longer. She doesn't care for her job here, and they want to move back to Texas because my nephew just had a baby, her son. So that's awesome. I'm excited for them, but I do want to see them before they leave. Also, I want to say a special thanks for Teri and Scott. Thank you for letting us stay here on the property. I do appreciate it. And I know you have a lot to get done, and I will miss y'all. Mwah. Checked everything that's been done just to make sure everything was a-okay. So I'm going to take a quick walk around just to make sure everything is tied down and nothing is loose. Get around with me, Moo-moo? Huh? What are they?
Those shoes.
she's walking and I heard her say, I told you not to tell anybody, like we wouldn't see them.
Look, you can see they clearly don't fit, lady.
Fit. I was like, no, we'll just buy you new shoes. Be happy about that.
Nice shoes, though. They do have their own fruit trees here. I'm going to grab an apple before I leave. Look at these. See if any feel loose. That's how you know they're usually ripe. Or if not, I could just pick it off. That one wasn't too bad. Beautiful. Apple straight from Washington. Homegrown. So I'm going to grab one of these grapes. This one looks awesome. Ew. Yummy. Bye!
Oh, bye.
Hopefully we'll catch up again.
Oh, yeah.
Safe travels.
You too.
Hello. Bye.
Hey, we're going. See you.
Love you. Miss you.
Too. We'll be back up
Okay.
with you guys soon.
Yeah, hopefully.
Doing cameras.
Bye. Thank you so much for all your
You're so
help.
welcome. We'll see you real soon.
All right.
Did you check all your fluids and everything?
Yeah, I did a quick walk through everything. Make sure everything was tied down too. So
Sweet, sweet.
it's all good.
And it's sexy looking now.
I know.
Look at those shiny wheels.
Paint job and Panda's ready to go.
Holy. Looks so much nicer on the back too.
Yeah, definitely. Moo-moo, gonna get it? Go get it. That wasn't very good. Moo-moo, gonna get it? Gonna get it? Go get it. I didn't kick it very far, did I? Here, let me just throw it. One last throw in the yard, Moo-moo. Here you go.
You have to dip it in chocolate.
Here you go. Over here. Come on. You want it? You want it? You want it? Go get it.
Oh. Well, that's because I got grease.
Good girl. Oops, you dropped it. Is it too big for your mouth? She's like, I'm going this way. Bye. Did it fit? It does. Awesome. So this bolt had rusted and fallen out, but Scotty's going to replace it for me before I get going.
That washer is not big enough.
Ow.
Let me find a washer.
Does that one work?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Look at that.
Yep.
Set it down.
Yep, definitely.
Rubber won't be sticking out there anymore when it grabs your leg. Yeah, she's all ready to travel, man.
Yeah.
Nice looking. Ready to smoothly go down the road.
Okay, let me just get my. I want to make sure it's going to work.
Thank you so much. That looks 1 million times better. Say bye to Uncle Jimmy.
I miss you.
Your favorite RVer is leaving. Mama's like, I'll miss you too. Hug me, hug me.
Sweet baby.
Are y'all ready?
Well, we have to go
Oh,
down.
you're loading the car.
Well, we can't load the car here. We have to go down and do it at a
Well,
shopping mall.
no, we're going to, because they have to go dump, and you can
Okay.
do it there.
Oh, okay.
It's
that'd
right
be
down the
better.
road. Yep, I'm gonna take them to the dump, the local dump. It's free too.
Well, yeah, we got to dump too.
Okay.
So that's what I'm worried about. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
What you saying bye for? You're going in our direction, lady.
Yeah, but we're not going.
You're not
all the
going
way.
that way, are you?
Not that far. We're going as far as Shelton, and then
Oh, okay.
we're playing around there until West Coast recycle place opens on Tuesday.
Okay, there is just to let you know, you might want to get $6 from Dana because there is we hit a toll booth.
Okay. Over. A bridge.
Yeah, a bridge.
Cool.
Come on, Moo-moo, load up.
You're gonna go to the toll,
Inside.
or you going around?
In your chair. Good girl. So we've said our goodbyes and now it's time to hit the road. So sad. Bye y'all, love you. Love you. I brought him here to the fairgrounds because there is a free dump. The family is dumping right now. Then I have to get gas and we'll be ready to hit the road. Alright, well they'll be going a different route. They're heading south, so bye y'all.
Bye, y'all. See you next year or the
All right.
year after. But
Definitely.
We'll be watching you.
Awesome.
You feel it's over soon. Too many risks to take. Just let us see what we'll be finding.
We stopped on the other side of Tacoma at a Walmart just to do a supply run, and then we continued on. We are now in Snoqualmie, Snoqualmie recreational area, and it is absolutely beautiful here. But that pass was ridiculous. It was very steep. So we're at the top of it now, and we're gonna take a break here. It's very chilly up here. We're gonna probably rest here, or at least I am. I don't know if they're gonna continue on because we're gonna stay at a rest area that is about 30 more miles. But I wanted to stop here and check it out, look at the view. Okay. I'm gonna need you to get out of my shot, please. Okay, so we're here at the summit. They have buildings here. I believe that is a resort over there. It's pretty cool here. There's the Summit Inn. So we just stopped here for a little bit. I was wanting to actually stay the night, but it's no parking after midnight to 6 a.m. And there's a rest area just up the road. And thankfully we will not be going uphill anymore. We'll be going down. Okay, that's it. No more sugar for y'all. I gave them a cookie and some candy and they're like running around like they're crazy. Crazy!
I'm not running around.
Well, we've made it to the rest area. The highway traffic is kind of loud, but it's starting to die out. I believe the family's already in bed. I'm editing right now. Yeah, it's right next to the highway, so it's a little noisy. I don't really mind. Once I close my doors, things kind of quiet down anyways. I'm going to go ahead and finish editing and maybe watch a movie. I don't want to stay up too late. I'm going to head to my sister's tomorrow. So I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Mwah. Love y'all out there.